Microbiology, how a virus works. A virus is a biological particle composed of nucleic acid and protein. They are small obligate intracellular parasites, as it is an organism that must use a host cell to reproduce. All viruses have two things in common: a genetic formation where they either have DNA or RNA, but not both. They also have a protein coat which wraps up genetic formation. The viral life cycle. Infectious virus transmission involving combination of both respiratory and fecal-oral routes, where aerosols can gravitate to the ground within and beyond 1 meter, can stay airborne and be inhaled. Of all the different types of viral cells, let's follow influenza as it enters the body, where step 1 of the lytic cycle begins with attachment, where the phage attaches to the surface of the host. Step 2, penetration, is a result of the virus attaching to the receptors of the cell, where it will be able to gain entry into the host cell. Step 3, biosynthesis, where the phage releases genetic material into the host cell, followed by step 4, assembly, where new phage particles are replicated and assembled. Moving towards step 5, lysis release, where the cell lyses releases the newly made virions, which leave the cell and spread towards other host cells. The 3 ways a virus can affect us are how they kill the host cell, as they transform it into a malignant form where there's no obvious effect, but still remain infectious. Subscribe to the channel for more.